They told you can earn a lot of money by creating YouTube faceless videos or channels, even with AI. Okay, but how? You can find the best niches, the best ideas to create your faceless YouTube channels? Well, now there's Vidx AI. As you can see here, world's first AI faceless YouTube discovery and analytics platform. It's pretty interesting. It's some sort of spy tool or search engine for ideas, niches, and viral scripts. I will show you how it works from inside, but let's take a look here. Discover profitable AI faceless YouTube channels, find the hottest AI YouTube videos and shorts, track the fastest growing AI YouTube channels, find and clone viral AI YouTube videos, explore real-time AI YouTube niches and ideas, and as you can see, you also have a pretty interesting analytics dashboard. How do you use it? Really easy. Quickly discover videos and niches with one click. You can do script analysis by AI, and then you can scale your production. Let's also take a look very quickly at the pricing plans. If you pay monthly, you have this basic plan, $19 monthly, 200 queries and 1000 datas per query, and the VIP plan, $59 monthly, 5000 queries and 10,000 datas per query. Here you also have the one-click report export. You can obviously even try this tool for free. As you can see, you have 10 queries and 100 datas per query. As always, you can find the link in the description if you want to try Vidx AI or purchase one of these plans. If you want to pay yearly, you have a pretty good 50% off, and these are the prices: $9.50 per month with the basic plan and $29.50 for the VIP plan. If you are ready to take a look inside at this tool, click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below if you like this kind of tool, this kind of content, and now let's go inside. When logging in into Vidx AI, you are already in this search section, in this search page. You have some filters here above, and you have the search bar. Obviously, you already have some videos. In this case, they are sorted by subscribers, the number of subscribers, and in descending order. You can obviously change this sorting order. You have more than 1 million channels listed here. That's pretty awesome. And you can see here some pretty interesting data. You can see when this channel was created, June 13, 2024. When the last video was published, you can see the number of outliers videos on this channel. Outliers are the number of videos with view counts exceeding 3x the channel's average views per video. You have the number of views, the likes this channel has, the comments, the 30 days views, the number of total videos, the number of shorts, the number of AI videos, because this tool also detects AI videos, and you can see the AI rate percentage. In this case, this is a near to 100% AI based, it's 86.5%. You can obviously click here and go directly to YouTube, so you can see by yourself this channel. You can mark it as favorite, so you can analyze it later. You have also other links for this channel. You have Instagram, Facebook, and X, and then you have some of the latest videos from this channel with, again, some datas, and you can see if these videos was generated by AI or not. These are obviously generated by AI, but if you take a look at other videos for other channels, this one, for example, it could also be a real video, but it's detecting it as AI, so I suppose this was created with some of the latest AI tools. And again, here you can choose by yourself how you want to sort all these videos, but this is just the total of the videos you have here. Once you have your list of channels, let's say you find an interesting channel, let's say this first one in this case, you can click on the channel name, and now you can see many more analytics. So you have subscribers, videos. Again, you have an expanded visualization of all these statistics. You have the videos here, all the videos for this channel. You can also load more here. And then you have this analytics section where you can also filter for the time here, 7 days, 28 days. You can see how this channel is doing, and even date by date here below. And again, this is pretty useful to have a better idea of how this channel is going, and you can take inspiration. Here you can also see all the tags they are using for this channel. You can see the description for this channel and so on. And again, you can filter for the outliers, so these are the best videos at the moment for this channel. Let me sort them by popularity, and as you can see, this video has 100 million views and it's doing pretty well. This is the ratio of a video's views to the channel's average views. This is a video from 9 months ago, so these videos are lasting a long time. Now let's take a look at these filters here above. As you can see, you have many filters to choose from: the creation date, the AI videos percentage, the number of AI videos, the AI videos percentage, the number of subscribers, the video count, long video count, short video count, outliers, latest video time, and again many other filters. You can search by channel here, you can search by description, by just writing here in this search bar. You can also search by video keyword. You just need to be aware of one thing: each time you filter this list and then click on this search button, you are using your credits. So as you can see, I was trying during recording this video to just filter some of these fields, and I used 6 credits. These are the number of queries you can do, and again, you just need to be aware of this because you may want to think before you use one of these filters. So for example, let's try something really easy here. Let's say I want to see only channels with more than 80% AI rate videos. So I just need to click on this button and then click on this search. Obviously, this is always the first because it's sorted by subscribers, so it's the same as before. But as you can see now, I have more or less half the results. This means that all these channels have more than 80% AI videos. As you can see, 86.5%, 99.4%, 97.5%. So all these channels are using AI videos, and it's pretty interesting. They are going pretty well, as you can see from the views and the subscribers. Now let's try to use this video keyword tool. For example, I want to find faceless channels about, let's say, history. I know this is a pretty famous niche for faceless YouTube channels, and again, and this is my filtered list. This one, I think it's something related to history, maybe not all these channels, or remember, this is a search by keyword, so maybe they have this keyword somewhere in these channels, but this is for sure history based. This is also history based, so you can see you can filter in different ways by using this search bar. Let's also take a look at these other sections here in this sidebar. This is the search section, but I also have this growth section. As you can see now, I have these other buttons, so 24-hour sub growth, 7-day sub growth, so you can find the best growing channels by using this section. You can search directly from video and not channel, so you can find some specific video again by choosing the title, the description, the channel, or any other one of these filters. You also have the trending ones, so you can take a look and take inspiration from the trending videos. Cats are always trending, I should say. There are a lot of shorts, so many people is doing faceless YouTube channels by using shorts videos, and these are also pretty easy to create with many AI tools you can find out there. And again, you have your collections here, because you can click here maybe and make this video as one of your favorite. You can choose the default collection, but you can also create your collections, confirm. And now if I go here on my default collection under the video section, I can find the video I selected here. You can do the same thing with channels, so you can have your favorite here and analyze them later if you want by clicking on these three dots button. For instance, for this video you have some other info. In this case, this video only has 930 views, but you have some other metrics here, both on this specific video and on the channel. You can also view videos, export data. Let's go again on this trending video section. I can try to filter for the last 3 months here and click on search. I can sort by views, and this one, for example, has millions of views, so if I click here I can also see this chart for the views, so you have an idea of all the data you can see here in this spy tool for faceless YouTube and AI channels. And that's it. This is how this Vidx AI works. Obviously, this can help you so much in finding niches and video ideas if you want to start with your faceless YouTube business, or maybe you already are using this kind of channels, you are out of ideas, you want to spy your competitors. This is perfect for you. Again, these are the pricing plans. If you pay monthly, $19 for the basic plan and $59 monthly for the VIP plan, by paying yearly 50% off, and you can obviously try it by using this button here. You can find the link in the description, so if you want, you can try Vidx AI. I hope this was helpful for you. If so, click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, again, leave a comment below if you like this kind of videos. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next one.